In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your toolbars to their original version on your Opera browser. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. As you can see, my toolbar icons are here, and these are not the icon styles that I had originally. However, I'll wish to get the original ones without uninstalling it, installing the app again. To do this, just open your Opera browser. So I'll go to Opera here and then go to this profile icon, and under this, expand this window and go to appearance. From here, scroll down until you see this option, edit toolbar. Here you can customize your toolbars by adding anything that you wish. You can move anything here as you wish and they will be added. However, if you want to reset or go back to the original, just tap on this reset, and here you'll be told reset to default toolbar layout. If you tap on reset, now you can see the changes here. We have gone back to our default toolbar style. So if I go back, let me go back. Now you can see here is our reset toolbar layout style that usually comes with a new installed Opera browser. So that's how you can reset your toolbar on Opera mobile browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.